Globally, extrapulmonary tuberculosis diagnosis is often delayed as it requires a surgical intervention for confirmation due to nonspecific clinical presentation and a poor performance on diagnostic tests.
To improve serological diagnostic tests for Mycobacterium tuberculosis antigens, we have developed Superparamagnetic iron oxide nanoprobes for detecting extrapulmonary tuberculosis. TB SPIO nanoprobes can provide precise magnetic resonance images at low concentrations due to their paramagnetic properties without inducing any autoimmune response.
TB SPIO nanoprobes enable the targeting and detection of Mycobacterium tuberculosis infection. They can also be applied as MRI contrast agent for the detection of other diseases.
Be sure to study the protocol carefully before attempting the protocol, as each part of the experiment utilizes a specific core technology.
Visual demonstration of the method can help viewers to understand how to implement the process, especially for some of the more complicated experiments.
To prepare dextrin-coated iron oxide magnetic nanoparticles, vigorously combine 5 milliliters of dextrin T40 with 45 milligrams of aqueous ferric chloride hexahydrate and 32 milligrams of ferrous chloride tetrahydrite.